U.S. Air Force F-22 Raptors have intercepted 8 Russian bombers approaching Alaska in the past week as Russia steps up its air patrols near the U.S. North American Aerospace Defense Command reported Wednesday morning that F-22s, supported by KC-135 aerial refueling tankers and A-3 early warning aircraft, intercepted 2 Russian bomber formations in the Alaskan Air Defense Identification Zone Tuesday evening. The first Russian aircraft formation consisted of 2 Tu-95 bombers, 2 Su-35 fighters, and an A-50 airborne early warning and control aircraft. And the second was made up of 2 Tu-95 bombers and an A-50. The aircraft came within 32 nautical miles of the Alaskan coastline but never entered U.S. airspace. The Russian Defense Ministry has released a video of the intercept. And on Wednesday, June 10th, 2 Russian bomber formations consisting of the same types of planes in the same groupings flew long-range air patrols near the U.S., forcing North American Aerospace Defense to respond. One of the Russian formations came within 20 nautical miles of U.S. shores, but neither aircraft group ever entered U.S. sovereign airspace, which extends 12 nautical miles from U.S. shores. The ADIZ extends 200 nautical miles from the coastline. For the 8th time this year, Russian military aircraft have penetrated our Canadian or Alaskan air defense identification zones. North American Aerospace Defense Command Commander General Terence O'Shaughnessy said in a statement Wednesday, adding, "Each and every time North American Aerospace Defense Forces were ready to meet this challenge." His remarks appear to indicate an uptick in Russian long-range patrol flights near the U.S. In a statement last year, North American Aerospace Defense said that it has intercepted an average of 6 to 7 Russian sorties entering a North American Aerospace Defense Command Air Defense Identification Zone since Russia restarted these patrols in 2007. The Russian aircraft that enter the Air Defense Identification Zone are not always bomber aircraft. For instance, earlier this year, North American Aerospace Defense Command fighters intercepted a couple of Russian Tupolev Tu-142NZ maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft that are suspected of surveilling ICE. Exercise, ICE-X, 2020. In April, O'Shaughnessy told reporters at the Pentagon that Russian air activity near North America is a continuous effort to probe and check and see our responses. He said that NORAD is postured to maintain that ability to respond at a moment's notice.